Welcome to the Car Research channel. Today I'll show you how to hide sensitive notifications from the Galaxy A72 lock screen. So first, open Settings, scroll down from the top and press the Settings button in the corner. Next up, look for the Notification section. It's right here. Click on Lock Screen Notifications. And here you can choose to hide all notifications or configure what apps to hide from the lock screen. Press on the setting and disable the apps you don't want to appear on your lock screen. For example, let's say I don't want my mail appearing on the lock screen. Let's disable it. I also don't want any actual messages, but it's disabled by default. Let's also disable wallet notifications and YouTube notifications. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Car Research channel for videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.